Sushma to help you speak fluent English. I personally believe in speaking simple language. It makes sense when my purpose is to continue the conversation. Use of fancy words or the uncommon words can intimidate the other person and the conversations could come to a stop. We are talking about English here. This doesn't mean that I don't keep my ears open for new words. I am going to share my trick and tips how I increase my vocabulary even today. I keep listening to English songs, stories, motivational speeches, spiritual speakers, even to other teachers who teach English. Whenever I hear a new word, I make note of it. I love to refer the dictionary. I mean that feeling of holding a book in hand. In case I don't have a notebook around, I note it down in Notes app in my phone. Even today, I have the habit of checking the meaning and see or check for an example sentence to understand the usage. I check the pronunciation too, side by side. Thanks to the technology and Google, learning is just a click away. Frankly speaking, if I feel that I could use that word, phrase, or sentence instead of some other word that I have already been using, I would immediately say it in my mind a few times so that it gets registered in my mind. I keep repeating, saying aloud for a few days till I get comfortable saying it. This actually becomes a fun activity as everyone in my family comes to know that I have learned something new and I'm practicing it. I just keep saying that even without any context. The other members in the family are also picking it up indirectly by listening to it so many times. Hope you understand the fun factor here. I even get to hear that I'll be crazy about that word or phrase till I get the right opportunity to use it. You can't imagine the satisfaction I get when I really get to use it. And lo, it gets printed forever. You too can practice this way to add new words, phrases to your vocabulary. This reminds me of an incident where one of my senior colleagues was supposed to write an essay appreciating English language in less than 100 words. He wrote only 6 words. Simple English is the best English. He got first prize. Hope this technique makes our learning easy and enjoyable. Begin with picking words from this video. Have fun. Please like and share. Also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to post the comments. For more interesting tips, follow the channel. Take care.